Hello guys, I want to teach you a very simple recipe which I created between 1 to 3 minutes, believe me. So this is my sugar and this is my margarine which I have measured. This recipe is very simple. The name of the cake is cookies and cream. Very simple recipe. So after measuring your butter, you have to measure your vegetable oil which I'm using King's oil. Believe me, you will love it. The recipe is very nice. Add your sugar, your butter, and your vegetable oil together to a mixer bowl. Then it's time to beat your butter and your sugar. Make sure you beat it very well. It's a very simple recipe. After beating it, make sure it turns to white. As you can see, it's now white, it's not having that color. So this is my eggs. You have to separate your eggs. You will use egg yolk and egg white. So as you can see, I'm separating my egg, and this is how I separate my egg white and egg yolk. I love it this way. It's very easier for me. So as you can see, the egg yolk is there and the egg white. Perfect. Perfect. Without mistaking. So the next thing, you will add your egg yolk into the mixer bowl. Mix it, make sure you beat it. So I'm using this, though sometimes I use normal milk, but I just feel like adding this to the recipe. So I'm measuring 1 cup of this. After that, you add your flour. You measure your flour, sorry. After measuring your flour, make sure you sip it to avoid any nonsense, you understand. I'm using this baking powder on this particular recipe. I don't know which one you are using, but I prefer this particular baking powder because it's very nice and it's a active baking powder. So this is my baking soda which I'm measuring right now. So you have to whisk your egg white. Make sure you beat it until it form, like until it give you this result. As you can see, if it's not giving you this result, maybe your bowl was having water inside, so it will never give you this particular result that you're seeing here. So after you get this result, the next thing, you measure your milk, which I'm using peak milk. I love using this particular peak milk because it's very expensive, but I just love it. So after measuring, you measure your water. As you can see, everything is very simple. Make sure you mix your milk and your water. Yeah. So you add your milk. After adding your milk, you add your flour. Guys, this recipe is very simple recipe. So I'm adding my egg whites. This is my egg white. So I'm adding it. After adding the egg white, the next thing I think is your vanilla flavor. This is the particular vanilla I'm using. So you measure your vanilla flavor, you add it inside. Can you see it? Very yummy. So the next thing, you will add your biscuits. You will add your biscuit. You can get any biscuit like of your choice, but this is the particular one I use. If you find this video useful, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. So here's the result. Let's wait I'm taking it to the oven now, so let's wait for the result. As you can see, our cake is here. So do well to subscribe for more recipe like this. If you really enjoy the video, thank you. See you next time.